What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is Earn AliExpress Solution. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can get coins on AliExpress, how you can earn coins on AliExpress so that you can use to reduce an amount of price on a certain product you want to buy. So let's go. You can go to your account or the icon on the top there, call account. So you have to click on the coins go, coins go. Click on the coins go. So when you click on the coins go, they will ask you to do something. It's either you are going to earn coins, earn more coins, or your daily coins collect. So I have been collecting coins, so now I have more money. I have about $12, which I can use to reduce the amount of price on a certain product. So you can buy ring, can buy phone watch phone, so your daily check-in, everything, you can just collect coins every day. So there are so many ways you can collect coins. You can play games and you collect coins and them more. So these are how you can make coins and buy use it to buy something or reduce an amount of price on a certain product. So this is how it is done. If you want more information about this one, you can just contact me or you can write in the comment section below so that I will know what you want me to do or what you want me to bring again. So thank you for this video. See you next time. Bye bye.